Hey there! In this short video, we're excited to show you how we discover new opportunities using advanced intelligence hubs. Today's story is about a company that produces a special type of elastomer. They wanted to find new business opportunities in 3D printing, not just for medical stuff. So, here's what we did. First, we looked around to see what other materials are out there where they're being used and their expected benefits. We sent our trusty robots to search over 200 million sources on the internet, like websites, social media, scientific papers, patents and more. Then, algorithms sorted all that info by the type of material, where it's used, and what's good about it. But that's not all. We used some special methods to find some awesome opportunities and things that might be a bit tricky. Plus, we discovered brand new materials, uses, and benefits that weren't in our initial scope. We call this the discovery zone. Whenever we found something new and exciting, we told our robots to dig even deeper. It's like a never-ending treasure hunt. We've also designed AI-powered platforms that collects real-time data and makes all sorts of analytics designed to serve the purpose. You can see a few examples, like interactive heat maps, corresponding to the face of the cube shown before. We could also identify main themes and trends or detect key companies concerned by elastomers 3D printing. Our team of experts together with AI put all of this together to automatically generate dynamic SWOT dashboards mapping top opportunities and threats. Using this approach, we've uncovered more than 30 new opportunities, 5 new applications, and the company initiated 3 partnerships in just 9 months. And, we've made sure those ideas are on the right track. Finding new ideas is just one of the things we can do. You can check out more real-life examples on our YouTube channel. If you're curious and want to see how it all works, visit our website to schedule a personalized demo with us. Thanks for hanging out with us and learning about our exciting journey into the world of intelligence. Stay tuned for more awesome videos from us, and we can't wait to chat with you soon.